is getting tougher. We are here at Dehradun for the National Final Level 1, the outbound round, where the participants have to show their endurance and their physical strength. The number of participants has been sliced down from 250 in the regional round to 32 now. So let's be ready, get set to witness the adventure. If you like to push the boundaries, confront your fears and seek spine-tingling thrills, you certainly can turn out the winner in this level of talent hunt. The exotic location of Dehradun in the midst of Himalayas. The competition isn't for the faint-hearted. It was 7 in the morning and all 32 finalists at Dehradun were heading towards the Red Stone camp. This was the National Final Level 1, a level full of surprises and changes. The contestants were divided into teams for each activity, and the teams were changed for every new activity. This made all the participants know and work with each other. These 32 were a great mix of India's regional and cultural diversity, with finalists from nearly every city, state and region of India, be it a metro city like Delhi or a small town in Bihar. Only the cream was selected from all the regions to come and participate in this event. There were a lot of activities designed for the participants. First being the dragon train. Participants were divided into 3 teams and were asked to make a chain and catch other teams' tail while saving their own. It was a fun game but needed a great amount of teamwork. After this, it was time for teams to exhibit their coordination in the human ladder, which they did very well.
ये हमारी टीम है, बेस्ट ही हमारी टीम है।
As you can see, there's a lot of action happening here.
इसमें हमारी टीम बेस्ट थी, मेरी स्ट्रैटेजी था।
And everybody is working for their team to win. Now that's called the team spirit. Next was the trust fall, where the participants were blindfolded, handcuffed, and made to stand on an elevated platform and fall backwards, trusting their teams to catch them. And here's the catch. They had to trust the teams they just got to know a few hours back. It is not as easy as it seems.
What you're watching behind me is called trust fall. The individual is going to fall and the team members are going to take care of the individual. So this is one aspect of it. If you look at the whole process, we are looking at an individual's ability to think, ability to introspect, ability to learn, ability to contribute to a team, able to give vision to the cause and the purpose. So in short, this is what anybody is looking for in a leadership.
All 3 teams cracked the human pyramid really well.
हम लोग गिर गए थे इसमें 2 बार, दोनों बार गिर गए थे। मेरे शरीर पे ऐसे 3 लोग चढ़े थे इसके ऊपर।
These activities taught the members to work as a team. After these exciting team building games, it was time to go for a nature walk. Straight, as you have to trek on the steep mountain slopes by making your own path. This is day 1 for the outbound round, and we had 4 activities since morning. And now it's time to trek. So come along with us. The participants were again divided into pairs with one partner blindfolded. Trust was again paramount.
सबसे आखिरी थे हम लोग.
It's not a normal trek because participants have been given a buddy and it's a blindfold trek. So it's not just testing your physical strength, but it's
ये मेरी तो टीम है, सबसे पीछे हूँ.
Trust.
मेरा जो बंदा था फिसल रहा था, गिर रहा था वहाँ में.
Students were taken to the midst of dense forest and were found to be excellent team workers.
We have been trekking for last 1 hour and we are dead tired by now. It was really tough round. We had 5 activities from the morning and we have people from all over India, from west, north, south, center and east. And it's really fun being here and we have learned a lot.
The Tycoons today's day, we have faced a number of rounds, like the draggle and all that. And then not that all, I came to know what my guts, my courage and whatever things that are hidden in me just came out today.
After such an eventful day, it was time to share their experiences. The learnings and the lessons were discussed with the newly formed family before retiring for the day.
But still we went on to carry 7 guys. Just like there was nothing special in that.
The next morning was early. After the morning tea, it was time for action. After a group came, 3 teams were made and sent for a treasure hunt in the nearby villages. The hungry contestants were in search of food, cracking the clues one after the other. They managed to find the raw material and cooked their breakfast.
मैगी बनाई थी बताया था.
After a hard-earned breakfast, it was time for some adventure. Mountain rafting. It was a daring activity which everybody did very successfully and moved on to the next sport, the flying fox.
इसमें तो बैंड बज गई थी, पेट अभी तक दुखता है मेरा इसके कारण.
It was a day full of excitement, after which the
हमारे टाइम पे कैमरा नहीं था ना.
participants to prepare and present a cultural evening.
Now it's time for the cultural performance, which came as a surprise for all the participants, and they got only 2 hours to prepare.
The event was beautifully managed with only 2 hours in hand and no facility of music system.
मैं पीछे गब्बर आगे गब्बर में क्या गब्बर में लगा रखा है यार. तू बता दो कौन डाला है. ये हिंदू का खून ये मुसलमान का खून, ये ठाकुर का खून.
दुनिया की सारी रस्मों को मैं तोड़ कर मिलने आता था. रोता था मैं बहुत तेरे लिए जब सारा जहां सो जाता था.
It was a very well choreographed and well designed program.
I did all those things which I never dreamt of doing,
हम लोग
like
ड्रामा किया था.
stepping on the rocks, climbing from one thing or the other, stepping on the bamboos and all. It was like a total fun.
Being here in nationals with 32 different people from different part of our country who speak different languages and are very good brains, I think I am quite lucky to be here with them.
All this was the result of the teamwork, as this stands as the most important parameter of being a successful leader and being a tycoon, so that regardless of the level they reach, each participant shall walk home with a rewarding experience.
With this cultural performance, the outbound round comes to an end. It's time now
इसके बाद
to
हमारा
move to the next
ड्रामा
level for national finals, but
नहीं
after
आएगा.
a short break. So be with me to catch all the action in search of Tycoons 2009.